Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Cool Kids Summer. It is a limited edition celebration happening throughout the whole Walt Disney World with special characters, live DJs, interactive games, themed food, and indoor play experiences for different age groups. Now, we had a group of 7 visiting in the summer month of July. It was extremely hot, and because our lightning lanes did not begin until 2 p.m., we needed something to do that was fun earlier in the day. Now, during the summer months, I would highly suggest finding indoor activities that can entertain the kids, the teenagers, and of course keep the adults engaged as well, and honestly giving everyone a break from the heat while also grabbing some great food. Now, specifically at EPCOT, the main Cool Kids Summer experience is called GoofyCore, located in front of the park inside of GoofyCore Hall. It is designed for kids, but honestly the teenagers and adults, we end up having fun too. There is a live DJ, lots of music, character appearances, just make sure you check the schedule, and a full dance party with Goofy and members of the Goof Troop. The kids can dance, move around, take pictures, be silly, and participate without feeling like there is a right or wrong way to just have fun. They also have interactive games, including Goofy Says, Limbo, parachute activities, and other games that keep the children and adults, as you can see, involved instead of simply just watching from the sidelines. Now, there is a special Cool Kids Summer food and drink. I'll show that in this video. Options available to you so that the adults, we can have some fun as well. Grab a snack, sit down for a moment, and watch the kids have fun. Now listen, we all know that Florida heat is no joke. So during our July trip, it felt as if it was honestly over 100 degrees outside. Having an air-conditioned space where the kids could sit down, play games, dance, meet other kids, and experience Disney characters gave our entire family the break that we actually needed. It was the perfect way for us to stay entertained while getting prepared for our lightning lanes so that we can enjoy the rest of the day.
Billion stars. Our Andromeda galaxy has more than 1 trillion. But because our galaxies were far forward of the event which you Terrans 93 million miles away from the surface of your planet.
Not an influencer?
Is a small yellow dwarf star into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
Stay together. Hey, go to the door. Stand on line. Right there, Avery. Right there. Right there. Where'd you go?
I'm right here with you. Greetings, Tams. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayal, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of...
Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Human.
What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you are
Walking. See, that's why they're running. It's like multiple areas. Ready?
Automatic gates open. Step into the storage of our vehicle and secure all loose items. Hold down on the lap bar and push up.
That was the one you were supposed to put your hands up on.
But last time I got hit my
That was built in 1970, boy. You have fun?
Yeah.
You put your hands up all the time.
I saw your hands up. You know that we take a group of
And I got tears. It's always like my face plastered. I did the elevator. You have fun?
I like the loop.
You like the loop-de-loop?
Yeah, I like the loop.
You like the loop? Okay, be careful walking down these stairs. Hi, thank you. good, the fact that there's no line right here. Come on. Hi. Oh.
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back out. Touch the water. No?
I don't know. We must wait. The cook is to wait. We sing and we stumble, we shout. That means I cannot. We
Hey, what's up everybody? So we are at EPCOT. We are snacking around the world. And so we are also enjoying Cool Kids Summer along with some good eats. And so we definitely have to get these pink and blue donuts. So we have Son and Dad. We got the pink. We have the blue. Didn't you ask for blue?
I did.
We starting already. So we're gonna test them out. But let me take a picture. Okay, so thus far, we've started getting on rides. We got on the Gran Fiesta ride. We also got on Cosmic Rewind. You wanna beat us? All right, so we are in Living with the Land. We are about to get on Soarin across America. We have a light in the lane for this. And then Living with the Land as well. And then we'll start walking around the world. Okay, hi. Thank you.
Oh, this is where the plants are.
Please lower your head and watch your step. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs. Now and into the future.
See, like rice? That's rice.
The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Half of all the sea bass and catfish, like the ones you see, save millions of gallons each year. 50,000 edible plant species in the world. For pests, like aphids and flies, we are significantly...
She got here. Missed. You gonna give us a tour? Meet the parents. Parents always focus. What? Ivory, you went everybody over here. Wait, but he don't want to get wet though, huh?
And I was recording too.
Hold on, Avery, go back.
You don't even get wet, right?
No.
Oh, actually, this is where walking me over to do my walk. Oh, wait, I need to get in line.
Hey, hold on. 3. I'll do that. Let me see. 3. Let me see. Ah! It got her too. It got her up her dress. Avery. You. Okay, so we are officially on test track and we are in the lightning lane, and so we're about to have some fun going 90 miles per hour. Yes. Woo! We're gonna get on the metas. Woo! And we're gonna get it on this Osmo.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start.
No, that's another ride. Okay, walk over there by the car. Let me see. Nice, huh? Say cheese. Yeah, the trucks. Oh no, someone touching. Go walk up to it. Let's go. Just go. Yes, there are cars. Board. Can I say cheese? 1. Oh, what is that? You know what it's called? We don't know what this is called. Avery. Good. So we're in China. Let's go. Got modern Chinese. What is it called?
I don't know. I'll take a serious.
Carrot cake?
Carrot cake, something. Carrot cake, caramel cream pie. Because about to eat it.
Where are you from?
From the park. In the park.
You signed a consent when you did my events like a couple of years ago.
What did you get to eat? I heard you was hungry.
Nothing.
Did they have ice cream at other places?
You gotta click on every store. What? Where you dancing at?
Oh.
You're supposed to put on the show. You got lucky. You got lucky because the show about to start.
We haven't seen it in a while.